bad chick, I could be a fantasy. I could tell you got big energy.
you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nail by Kris. If you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey. If you are new, hey boo, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, please and thank you. Y'all, happy Thanksgiving, and I hope you guys are enjoying yourselves, in which I am. Y'all saw me cooking all morning this morning. Yes, I did cook Thanksgiving dinner. I made chicken and dressing, period, collard greens. What else I make? Black eyed peas. What is the noise? Is it me? Thought somebody had pulled up. Okay. What did I say? I made black eyed peas, macaroni and cheese. I'm making deviled eggs. And you know, my mama, she bring a pot roast potatoes and carrots. I bought some store-bought desserts. And you know how I do. I drink wine. I got water, and we got tequila, and I got the Kendall Jenner A1A tequila. So anyways, you guys, we're at my dad's house. We're starting off Thanksgiving here, y'all. That was the entryway into his house, the Williams residence. I am the first one here, and I am so shocked by this, you guys. I am so shocked because normally I am literally, is this a heart? Normally I am literally the last person to get here. Y'all, did they make this flower bed into a heart? Yo, this is so cute. It's a heart. Yeah, it's a heart. That's too cute. Okay, y'all, check the fit. Period. Yeah. Stop playing with her. Stop playing with her.
Corn and all that.
Okay, so where do you want to put them? We having dinner in the garage. Now we gotta set up. Y'all, it's my daddy telling me to be here an hour before everybody else for me. Y'all, because they swear I'm gonna be on time. And I was here right at 1 o'clock. And ain't nobody here but me. You said what?
You know how to put the...
First of all, don't do me like that.
That's cute. That's really cute.
Don't do that. This is cute.
Yeah, hey, we got a line of Santa Claus.
Right. That is so cute. Mm-hmm. I love it.
And then
he's really going up and down.
And then he's black.
And he black.
Oh yeah, hey. Black. Yeah.
That is so cute. Where did you find this?
Didn't work.
Who won? Dad. Who won?
You won. You won. It's all good. She gonna make me have to play. All right. I'm trying to play now. Come on with it.
Okay. Uncle Jimmy, say hello.
Yeah,
hey.
Hello.
Hello.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Everybody and everyone that sees this video. How about that?
Dad, I'm telling the people you winning right now.
Yeah, but I'm in a tough situation.
You are in a very tough situation. Because if you knock that black ball in, I win.
Everybody know.
Okay, y'all.
Yes.
I lost.
You lost. Okay, and so that means you gotta rack them right here. You go right now. There you go. And redeem myself.
We're gonna resume
Yes.
to the next game.
Come on. It's going downhill from there.
See what had happened.
I mean, what had happened was you put in a great effort, but well, you know, things happen, and it is what it is. I don't know what to tell you.
When your uncle and your dad don't care. Oh no, that was for me.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, Michael.
Yeah, what is it?
Patron. Is that okay?
Yep.
Patron.
Taylor.
All right. Start in and pull out. Come over here. Girl, we'll do it again.
We'll do it again. Yeah, this is the beginning of the night.
Start in, y'all. Come in. Come on in. And I just need y'all to pull out. Say 1, 2, 3. Pull out. That looks like you took it.
Okay, good.
Yes, my oven is on. So maybe some cinnamon sugar for this. Some cinnamon sugar. Y'all, here go my mama trying to stress me out. That's what I do. It's my baby. Chicken and dressing, deviled eggs, macaroni and cheese with the collard greens. We got the zucchini, the pyros. Yeah. Yeah.
Stress free. Baby come, then that's when I'll be
So the two types of house rules are triples and doubles and train. Triples and doubles means that if I got more than one, I put them down.
Exactly.
Train means that I can put down numbers in sequence. So the same way that you put 4, 3.
Exactly.
Those are the rules. The main Uno rules is that you put down one card that is either. Listen to I'm not done. I'm not done.
Keep going. Because I don't see
the
no
Uno rule. The Uno rule. The main rules of Uno is that you put down one card that is either the same color or the same number as the card before.
No.
Listen, no.
That don't make sense.
So you're gonna let everybody know. And the box. The box says.
That's the box.
Anybody, y'all are the first people I play with.
Listen to what I'm saying.
Who literally put down a 3 and then put down a 1. Like,
It's the same color.
I've never played with nobody else who ever done that. Like, no.
It's the same color.
only been playing with the people in your house.
Good morning, you guys. I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving. I know I did not end this vlog last night, y'all, because I ain't gonna lie to you. I just forgot. I had forgot. And I woke up this morning and I was like, I did not end my vlog right. So, y'all, Thanksgiving was a success. Everything got smashed, bro. I had no leftovers. When I tell you, no leftovers, okay? None. So, it's safe to say that your girl did a good job. But I'm going to tell y'all something. Why the fuck did I forget about my black eyed peas? So I have a whole pot of black eyed peas just sitting in my refrigerator that I got to try to eat throughout the week this time. Like, I'm going to have to try to figure out how to make some sides out of it because I cannot believe I forgot to serve my black eyed peas. But anyways, y'all, it was a good night last night, y'all. It was so funny. They don't know how to play Uno. But it was so funny. I enjoyed honestly seeing my family. It's been a while since I've seen all of them anyway. So it was just really, really good to just to see everybody. So I went to my dad's house, had a good time over there. Oh, did I tell y'all that they had me come there early? They told me and my uncle said to be there by 1 o'clock so we can be there on time. My uncle still went on time, y'all. He still went there at 1 o'clock anyway. He didn't get there till probably almost 3. So it didn't matter to him. I was there on time at 1 o'clock. I was. So yeah. We're getting better with time. Yeah, we're being more punctual. But anyways, you guys, let me feed Snicker real quick. And I need to get ready to start my day and clean up everything. So I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving, and I will be talking to you guys in the next vlog. Bye.